Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do number 1 on the elimination problem, guys. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it so I get 7x minus 13y equals negative 416, and then 17x minus 18y equals negative 576. Okay, so you're going to choose a variable to eliminate. I'm going to eliminate the x's. You don't have to pick the x's. You could pick the y's. You'll still get the same answer. This one's kind of funny, though, because you got really big numbers. It's okay. We have a calculator, so we're fine. I'm going to multiply this top by negative 17 and this bottom guy by 7. Now, you could have multiplied this by negative and this by positive. It doesn't matter as long as you get one of the x's to be negative. You could have flipped it. It's okay. So I'm going to distribute this to the numerator. So 7 times negative 17 gives me negative 119. Alright, so I have negative 119 x, and negative times a negative is a positive. So positive 221y. And negative times a negative is a positive. 416 times 17, if I plug that in my calculator, I get 72. Now for the bottom guy, I need to distribute him here. So I get 7 times 17 is positive 119x. A positive times a negative is a negative 126y. And a positive times a negative is a negative. So 4032. Alright, so these guys cancel, which is what I wanted, right? That's the elimination method. 221 minus 126 is going to give me positive 95y. And then 7072 minus 4032 gives me 3040. And then I'm just going to divide by 95. So then y equals 32. So once I find y, guys, now I'm just going to plug that into one of these equations. I'm going to pick the top equation just because it's a little bit easier with the numbers. So wherever you see an x, I'm now going to plug in 32. And then 13 times 32 gives you 416. So then I have a negative and a negative, so I'm going to add 416 to both sides. I get 7x equals here. These guys cancel. That's okay. And then I divide by 7. So remember, you can have 0 in the numerator, you just cannot have it in the denominator. So 0 divided by 7 is 0. Why? Because 0 times 7 is 0, so that works. So my answer is 0, 32.